title of today's Brandon's blog is Protection from Creditors, What Toronto Entrepreneurs Absolutely Need to Know Before It's Too Late. My name is Ira Smith, president of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. Now, I must remind you, we are licensed insolvency trustees. We are not lawyers. This Brandon's blog on protection from creditors is not about how to hide your assets from creditors when financial trouble looms. It is also not legal advice. For that, you need to see your lawyer. Rather, this Brandon's blog, for informational purposes, is about the realization that pretty much every Toronto entrepreneur risks losing their personal assets to business debt because they need to lay their assets on the line in order to get financing for their business. This Brandon's blog is meant to provide practical steps to gain protection from creditors for your personal assets while resolving business financial troubles from a licensed insolvency trustee with many success stories. So if you or your business has too much debt and it's causing financial strain and strain in your personal life and you just cannot find the right solution, give either myself or Brandon Smith a call. We would love to speak with you because I know we can get you back on a financially restructured path. I hope you enjoy and get good information from the rest of this video.
Almost 60% of Toronto entrepreneurs risk losing their homes to business debt. I'm Fiona Ledger from Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. We have helped hundreds of Toronto business owners protect their personal assets. Let me share how you can keep your business problems from becoming home problems. The 3 debt traps. Trap number 1, using personal credit cards for business expenses makes you personally responsible for that debt. In fact, 68% of startups use personal credit. Trap number 2, co-signing business loans. Most small business owners are forced to personally guarantee loans from banks to their company. Trap number 3, mixing business and personal accounts. This makes 89% of insolvency cases more complicated and expensive. Your protection options. You have 4 main options to protect yourself. Business restructuring. For incorporated companies, this lets you keep operating while renegotiating debts and shields your personal assets. Consumer proposal, my top recommendation for most small business owners. You can legally erase up to 75% of combined debts while keeping your home, if your equity is under $10,000. Strategic bankruptcy, when starting fresh makes sense. In Ontario, you can keep your retirement savings, household items up to $14,180, and a vehicle worth up to $6,600. Debt consolidation. Consider credit unions instead of big banks, but be careful, nearly half of consolidated debts end up in default within 2 years. Success story, 145 to 215. Let me tell you about Carlos. Through a consumer proposal, he reduced his unsecured debt to $30,000 and will be paying it off over 5 years, $500 monthly. He can pay that along with his bank loan payments and therefore keep his home and his food truck. Through a consumer proposal, we reduced his unsecured debt to $45,000, paid over 4 years. He kept his home and eventually reopened his business. Protect yourself today. Here's your action plan. Today, separate your finances. Open business accounts at a different bank than your personal accounts. This week, document everything. Take photos of equipment and make copies of all loan agreements. Before Friday, get professional help. Calculate your business debt ratio. If it's over 50%, Contact a licensed insolvency trustee immediately. Closing call to action, 2:45 to 3 o'clock. Don't wait until creditors are at your door. Book a no-cost consultation today. Your business situation may be temporary, but losing your home is permanent. Let's protect what matters most. Give Ira Smith or Brandon Smith a call today at 905-738-4167 for your no-cost consultation.